What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to review the green figures. Okay guys, so this is a project on Binance Smart Chain and it will go live in 3 days, 1 hour, 10 minutes and 22 seconds. Okay, as you can see right here has been stamped by George Stamp. I will show you the audit in a minute. Has been KYC'd by Anonydocs. Okay, and all is good. Okay guys, so the green figures, it's a different project. Okay, the one that we are used to, and I'm going to explain to you everything that you should know about this project before you actually invest in this project. Okay, so as you can see right here, we still got 3 days to do our own research, ask as many questions as we can, hence me showing the TG, so you can come over here to the TG, okay, after you reading the docs and fully understand how the project works. If you still have any questions, just come over here to the Telegram group and ask as many questions as you can in regards to the project, okay? And then once you are satisfied with the project, and if you decided to go ahead, once the project goes live, you go ahead and make your moves, okay? So what is the green figures, okay? Green Figures, it's a protocol on Binance Smart Chain, and essentially they will be doing trades on Forex exchanges. Okay, so how it works, you just deposit BUSDT and the team will use the total TVL. Okay, they can use 100% of the TVL to make trades Monday to Friday, and then on a Saturday the trade the profits are returned to the TVL so investors can get paid. Okay, so trades can only be followed on my FX book, and over here we have the live trades. Okay, I'm going to talk about this. I'm going to show you this website more in a minute. Okay, so earnings are paid weekly to depositors. Okay, there is no fixed APR. Okay, so the earnings will be paid according to the profits. Okay, more about that in a minute, so stay with me. Okay, so minimum deposit is 30 BUSD and there is no maximum, there is no cap. Okay, there is no deposit or withdrawal fees, so 0% tax on that, but the only tax that you pay is 20% performance. Obviously these guys, they're going to do the trades for us, so all we got to do is put our money there and wait to get the profits if there is any profits made. Okay guys, so we don't have to do anything, no TA, no nothing. Okay, so obviously they will have to take a cut because it's hard work to do tradings, just in case you don't know. Okay, so 20% performance fee. Okay, so 10% to development and 10% to fund management. Okay, capital withdrawals are processed on a monthly basis. So that means, so once you decided to bail from the project, okay, you can request your initial capital, okay, and within 28 days they will give you your money back, your capital back. Okay, and then also there is a referral system which is a 2% referral commission. So once you join the project, okay, share the referral link with your family, friends, social media, whoever joins the platform under your referral link, you will get that 2% referral commission. Okay, like I said, the project has been audited by George Stamp, and as you can see right here, owner has access to funds. Otherwise, it would be hard uh, for the traders to trade without funds. Okay, so hence the owner having access to funds. Okay, the overall score is 85. Okay, so let's go over to the summary and let's see what George has to say about the project. Okay, so the smart contract has been made with the purpose of raising funds to trade and therefore relies entirely on the skills of the traders that are outside of the scope of this auditing. Okay, so the smart contract has been designed just for the investors to put money in so traders can use those funds to perform trades and hopefully make profits, and from there everybody will have a share from those investments, okay, according to your deposit amounts. Okay, that's essentially what it says right here. The smart contract is upgradable. Okay, can be upgraded, just for unforeseen circumstances, they need to change the smart contract, they will be able to upgrade the smart contract. Okay, obviously they will notify the community. Okay, over here we have is it this one the smart contract address? Let me see. 0D56. No, this is not the smart contract address. This is the token BUSD smart token address. Okay, like I said to you, minimum investment is $30, right? And there is no daily fixed AROI. Okay, not applicable. Investors receive a share of the profit proportional to their active deposits in relation to total deposits whenever profit is injected into the system. Okay, so for example, if I invest, let's say $1,000 and you invest $30, obviously my profit share will be bigger than yours because I invested more money than you. Okay, that's essentially what it says right here. There is no return on investment. There is no fixed percentage. Sometimes you see like 0.5, 1%, 1.5, 2%, and beyond. Okay, but this one, because we are solely, well, the traders are solely relying on profits. Okay, so whatever, how much profit is generated, okay, then will be distributed according to investors. Okay, as you can see right here, team can withdraw 100% of the TVL, to perform trades. Otherwise it will be hard to perform trades. Okay, you can compound your profits. Okay, that's cool. And obviously we have back doors. Okay, and fees, I spoke about fees, 0% deposit and withdrawals. Okay, and we have the profit injection fees. Okay, and the team behind this project is collaborative effort between a verified Forex trader utilizing the trading service offered by www.fbs.com and George Stamp. So as you can see right here, George Stamp is behind the team. Okay, so George, we all know George, and he's been stamping lots of projects, so we have trust in George. So if George is behind the team, we have trust in this project. Okay, that doesn't mean the project will make you a millionaire. Okay, that just shows that, if George is behind the scene, it's less likely for this to be a rug. Okay, but because we are trading, we can lose it all, we can make lots of money, we don't know, because trading is risky. So that being said, only invest risk capital. Okay, guys, because trading doesn't guarantee any fixed return rates, and we can make money in this project and not make any money at all. Okay, it's a risk. Okay, we are essentially deposit money into these projects for traders to use our money to perform trades and hope to make good trades so we can, have some returns on our investment. Okay, guys, there is no guarantees over here. There is no guarantees in crypto. Okay, because crypto is risky and anything can happen at any time. Okay, like I said to you, the project has been audited by Anony Docs right there. Okay, so 27th of May, today is the 29th, so 2 days ago. Over here we have the smart contract. It's been deployed in 5 days. And the TG has 303 members currently, 34 online. If you have any questions, just come over here to the TG and ask as many questions as you can. Okay, over here, this is the home page of the project. Okay, so if you scroll further down, you can see a brief explanation how everything works. Okay, and over here it shows the money flow chart. Okay, so when you come over here to the project, you invest. Okay, you invest in green figures. Okay, then 100% of TVL every Sunday will be used to start the Forex trades on Monday. From Monday to Friday, they will do trades. Okay, and then all profits generated from Monday to Friday are sent on the Saturdays to the green figures. Okay, and then the profit generated with trading Forex, 85%, 80% goes to investors and 20% goes to the team. Okay, that's essentially how it works. Very well designed right there. And scrolling further down, we got the frequent asked questions. Okay, and yes, everything that you want to know, you can read over here. and that's it. Okay, so earnings are paid out to investors on a weekly basis. The profits will accumulate and can be withdrawn by clicking the withdraw button, which I will show you shortly. Okay, how do I withdraw my initial capital? Okay, guys, withdrawals of initial capital are processed on a monthly basis. You can request to withdraw your capital at any time, and your capital will be returned to your wallets within 28 days. It might take 28 days, it might take 15 days, it depends. I don't know how long it will take, but the maximum will be 28 days. Okay. What else do you need to know from here? Nothing else that I forgot to mention. And that, yeah, that's cool. But yeah, if you're not familiar, just come over here and read everything. But I already showed you how everything works. So once you click over here, launch app or launch app, okay, it will take you to this page. Okay, over here we got the dashboard. Okay, we can see the contract, total investors, number of investors, and total profits. Okay, over here is your section. Okay, so once you come over here, make your investment. Okay, you can see this is your section, your investor balance, the total invested, invested total profits, and available profits. How it works? Very simple. So for example, you come over here with $1,000. First, you gotta approve this 1,000 BUSD. Okay, pay the MetaMask gas fee, and then once that's paid, you come over here and you hit the same amounts of 1,000, and you hit invest, pay another gas fee, and boom, you are in. Okay, so once you are in, the traders will use the funds on a Sunday. So Sunday, they will collect all the funds from the TVL, perform the trades Monday to Friday, and then on the Saturday, funds and profits will be returned to the TVL, and then from there, the profits will be distributed to all investors proportionally. Okay. Over here we have the withdraw profits. Okay, so you can withdraw or compound. Okay, and over here we have the referral link. Okay, in order for you to use the referral link, you will have to make a deposit. Okay, so if you have no deposits, there is no point sharing the referral link. Okay, and scrolling further down, we can see that we can withdraw initial capital. Okay, initial capital right here. Once you make a deposit, your available capital will be right here. All you got to do at any time is click request withdraw, and then within 25 days the team will send the funds back to you. Okay, and over here we have the live trading page. Okay, over here is where we're going to see the trading page. So currently they have deposited 5.1k in these trades. Okay, and this trade is live. Obviously today is Monday. Actually today is Monday, but it's bank holiday over here. Okay, I'm not sure if this trade is going live, but you can see the live trades, you can see the statistics and everything. So today, week, month, and year, right? So you can see the trades, everything. Okay, so me, I've never done Forex trading before, so I'm not really familiar with this kind of thing. So I only trade in crypto, but I tend to I want to learn more about Forex trading. So yes, I'm definitely gonna dig more into Forex trading. But you got everything right here, what you should know about the live trades, etc. Okay, guys. So that being said, I think I've covered everything. If there is anything that you'd like to know about um, these projects, okay, the green figures, let me know in the comment box below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, if you still have any questions, and if I have not answered your questions, come over here to the green figures Telegram group and put your questions in, and somebody in the team will get back to you ASAP. That being said, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. All the links going to be down in the description. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.